Okay. And then on the range wall, the rest of it's pretty straightforward. This toe kick looks like it is about 16 inches off this wall. This cabinet here, 78, if you want to find the exact position of that. So 78 plus the width of that cabinet of 33 minus a half inch. Or this one's 16 inches off the wall. And then this window, this is centered, obviously. And then this, let's see here, let's look at it in the cross section here. So I'll give you, yeah, that's this one here, 16 off the wall. I'll give you the position of this toe kit cabinet, but you could find that because it's centered, and then this peninsula is touching right here. So that is 40 3/4 off the left. And then the peninsula cabinet, and that guy is pretty much tight to the wall. And then the other, just a little hall vanity, it's pretty straightforward. But there is existing flooring in the kitchen and the hall vanity that we need to land in. But I'll put some notes on the plans. But anyway, let's look at a 3D view of this thing. And then we've got a big wood panel here, big filler. And that was 2.5 inches off the wall here. And the crown molding will die into that. All right, hope that helps.